It's February 9th or something. It's got a lot of snow. Like 2 feet. Honey? How am I supposed to get over there? Can't even see Isaiah. You can stay out for a minute, Willow.
Call Chloe.
Are you helping shovel?
Honey, call Chloe and watch her bounce.
Chloe, come here. Oh, she went the easy way. I got the pail filled up, but I left it out there. Oh my goodness. We got so much wind last night.
Try to stay close to the house. It's less snow there.
But it's not so dramatic.
We went the other way around the house.
How's it going, Isaiah? How can Daddy even find the path? I think all the snow ended up here.
Yeah, it did.
How are you even going to get in the woodshed?
Yeah, I don't know. Chloe went through there. I didn't know if she was going to make it out. See where she went? I wasn't sure. She almost got stuck.
Isaiah, did Chloe go in there?
Chloe, stop bothering the cat. She keeps biting the cat. Chloe, come here.
Well, what do you think we got, honey? Any ideas at all?
No clue.
Probably close to 2 feet.
Look at there's that spiral.
We're supposed to get a little bit more, but I think it's mostly done now.
Wind's not done.
No, the wind's not supposed to die down until supper time.
Oh.
Isaiah, if it gets real windy, turn your back to it. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Here, let me pull your scarf up. Stop the video.